Summer, long days, warm nights. It's a perfect time to talk about snowboard boots. Drop the device, get away from that keyboard, step outside into shred world. In this video, we'll be looking at the Burton Moto Boa 2021 version. Why look at last year's boot? Many riders are not familiar with the Boa coiling system, and some hope to pick up this particular boot at a seasonal sale or swap. Others want to know about the functions of this boot so they can compare them to next year's model when it becomes available. This is an entry-level boot at an entry-level price, but it doesn't skimp on the important features, like the Boa coiler and the New England rope laces. There are three separate parts to the boot. There's a perforated foot pad with arch support. The soft inner boot, the Imprint One liner, has an easy lacing system. It has polyurethane backstay panels to maintain the shape of the heel cup. The outer shell has heat reflective material to keep your feet warm. It's easy to take apart or reassemble this boot. You end up with a firm fit in a lightweight boot. In fact, it's so light, getting into these boots is a snap. Pull the coiler knob to loosen the outer laces. Push it to tighten. As you twist the coiler, the laces pull the sides snugly together. As the rope is coiled, it tightens the boot. Pull the coiler knob forward to open the boot. Slide your foot in, position the tongue against your shin, and tighten the inner laces. Then twist the coiler until the boot feels comfortable. Warning, don't over-tighten. This can't really happen. The wide toe box and lacing system make these boots so comfortable you want to use them for some of your other activities. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like by hitting the thumbs up button down below. And while you're there, why not subscribe?